In this video, I'll be walking you through the apps you can have access to via Canva. Canva allows you to do so many great things using these apps. Alright, you can have access to the app, AI image generator. You can have access to Imagine, AI image generator by Google. You can have access to Magic Morph. You have access to DID AI presenter. You have access to Sandro AI music generator. You have access to Morph AI text to speech AI generator. You have access to Magic Media AI media generator. You have access to Mojo AI and QR art generator. So these are the AI tools you have access to just by using Canva. These are the tools, not just these alone. You have access to other productivity tools. You can see them here. These tools are awesome and it can save you a lot of money by using it through Canva. You can integrate your Canva to these tools and your work will be easier. You have access to mockup tools, emoji tools, pixels, so many tools. This particular video is to walk you through the apps that you have access to just by using Canva. Canva gives you access to these apps, and these apps are apps you will pay money to have access to. If you are using these apps one by one, you are going to pay heavily to access these apps. But through Canva, Canva integrated these apps to their platform, and if you are a Canva user, you can have access to these apps. All you need to do is to sign up on Canva. You can check the link somewhere around this video to sign up, and then you can continue using the free version. The free version is forever free, or you can upgrade to their pro version to have access to these apps and more. And their pro version is very affordable. If you want to know the interesting apps that you can have access to just by having Canva account, you can go to canva.com/yourapps. The link will be somewhere around this video. Just check the description area or somewhere around this video depending on where you are watching from. So in this video, I'll be walking you through some of these apps and how to use these apps. These apps are amazing, they are beautiful, and you will enjoy using these apps. So once again, stick with me as I walk you through how to use some of these major apps for your personal use, business use, or for your clients as a freelancer.